Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by using the up or down buttons or by swiping on the screen. So scroll through the menu and find the connectivity option. Once you find it, select it, then select the Wi-Fi option, and here you should see the option called Add Network. Select it, the watch will start looking for the nearby Wi-Fi networks, and once it finds the networks, you can scroll through the list, find the Wi-Fi you want to connect to, then select it, and if it's protected by the password, you will need to enter the password to connect. You can do it by again swiping on the screen or by tapping right here to open the keyboard. Let me enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. Okay, once you enter the password, you can tap on the check mark to confirm, and then the watch will start connecting to the network. As if you enter the password correctly, you will see connection successful, and in the My Networks, you will see that the network is right here. You can tap on it, and we have options like update password or remove. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.